Hey guys, welcome to the world of mathematics. In today's video, we'll be learning about the zeros of a polynomial and its geometrical meaning. First, let's understand the meaning of a polynomial. The word polynomial came from two words. Poly, which meant many in Greek, and nomial comes from the Latin nomen or name gluing. The words together polynomial means many terms. So in this session, we will be defining the zeros of a polynomial, describe the geometrical meaning of the zeros of a polynomial, relationship between zeros and degree of a polynomial, and at the end, we will summarize all together. So a polynomial is an expression consisting of many terms. It's a chain of finite terms that are all linked together using addition or subtraction. But remember, exponents of the variables should be a whole number and coefficient should be a real number. Now let's look at an example. A boy is standing at the origin. He throws a stone as it is shown in the figure on your screen. If we look at the trajectory of the stone, we can take it as a second degree polynomial. The boy is interested to find how much distance is covered by the stone. Here, the trajectory of the stone can be taken as a polynomial equation. Then 2 points are important for this polynomial equation. One where the boy is standing and two where the stone touches the ground. Observe what is common in both points from the diagram. The common thing in both the points are located where the polynomial curve intersects the x-axis. These are the points where the polynomial becomes 0. Such points are called zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial are the values of x which satisfy the polynomial equation. These are the values of x which make a polynomial expression equal to 0. A number a is said to be a zero of the polynomial p of x if and only if p of a is equals to 0. Now let's look at an example. So we'll verify whether 1 and 3 are the zeros of p of x.